In this video, I'm going to show you how to grant permissions to a user for managing Layer 3 service profiles. I'm logged in to the Equinix customer portal as a customer master administrator, and here is the permissions management page for a user in my organization. A user with the view ports permission for one or more ports will have view-only access to both ports and the ECXF virtual resources on those ports. If a user has also been granted the place connection and service orders permission for one or more ports, they will be able to perform create, delete, and modify actions on new and existing ECXF virtual resources on those ports. In this example, the user has been granted permission to view ports as well as place connections and service orders on all current and future ports. This means that this user, by definition, can perform all actions which include create, view, modify, and delete on all available ECXF virtual resources on those ports. In order to limit the user to manage only Layer 3 service profiles, uncheck the Grant All Permissions box for all ECXF virtual resources. As we see in the note here, to grant the user permissions for Layer 3 service profiles, the same permissions must be granted for Layer 3 connectors and Layer 3 routing instances as well. So check all required permissions for Layer 3 service profiles, Layer 3 connectors, and Layer 3 routing instances. Click Submit to save all the changes. This user has now been provided with permissions to manage only Layer 3 service profiles, and these new permissions will be enforced the next time they log in to the Equinix Fabric portal. Because no other boxes have been checked for any of the other virtual resources, this user will have access to manage only Layer 3 service profiles, Layer 3 connectors, and Layer 3 routing instances on any of the ports upon subsequent login. That concludes this demo. Thanks for watching.